Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent calls from someone on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Start by opening X on your PC and accessing the Messages tab to manage your messaging settings. Next, locate the Settings cog icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you will find the option to control audio and video call permissions. Here, uncheck the box located next to the username of the person from whom you wish to prevent calls under Allow Audio and Video Calls From. By following these steps, you can effectively prevent calls from a specific user on X, Twitter, on your PC, giving you control over your communication preferences on the platform. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to manage call permissions and block unwanted calls from specific users on X, Twitter, on your PC. Customize your settings to enhance your communication experience and maintain a more personalized interaction on the platform.